And these days, there is that wholeness that is required for you to be able to sort of, observe and get absorbed in any
Yes.
system that you are put into. People coming from all walks of life, right? These specialized workshops are very, very important, Manna. And I think that the institute is, all set and going to churn out some phenomenal minds who are going to literally create history.
We have an industry integrated workshops like yours we had today at ISES and MESC every weekend. So, how can such workshops complement what ISES and MESC are already offering, helping students but to also not only learn something but communicate their creativity very effectively? How do you
Right.
think?
So, I think to answer that question, there is never enough information, right? And with the way things are going now, with the structured courses that we have at the institute and people coming from all walks of life, right? These specialized workshops are very, very important, Manna, because um, it is also giving them life skills to become more confident, to know how to conduct themselves, etiquette management, right? Personality development. So it is not just about the technical knowledge that they gain about their courses, right? It is always about giving something extra which makes them ready for the world outside.
And also to start thinking like an entrepreneur rather than an employee.
Yes, absolutely. That's right.
Because that's what our motive in ISCS is, to create more and more entrepreneurs rather than employees.
Right.
That's our focus out here.
Right, right.
So, how do you think that the influence of people like Sushma Gaikwad, Sabaz Joseph, a rare scene coaches, in the industry, that students get to learn from these stalwarts, how is their influence going to be a game changer in this field of creative education?
Um, interestingly, you say that how is their, contribution going
Yeah.
to be a game changer? I think they are the game.
Yeah, they are the game.
They are the
Absolutely,
game.
they are the game.
So, it really can't get better than having guides and coaches like Sabas and like Sushma who have gone through it all. And as you just pointed out, that all of you have learned through the mistakes that you've made, and
Yes.
now it's literally like someone has filtered all the layers
And
and
सबसे
has
best
just best लेके आपको
आपको दे दिया
literally
है।
on a platter दे दिया है. So
तो अभी मैं अभी मैसेज ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ, वैसे तो ये एंड का था, बट आई स्टिल आस्क। तो एक मैसेज क्या है आपका फॉर द यूथ ऑफ इंडिया जो कि चाहते हैं क्रिएटिविटी अपना फ्यूचर बनाना? यू कैन टेल द कैमरा आउट देयर।
okay, so for the youth of India, wanting to make creativity their lifestyle, right? I just want to sort of, in my very humble advice, I just want to say that no matter what you do, right, keep your mind aligned. Especially if you are, getting into a creative industry, it comes with a lot of stress, a lot of management of emotions. And guys, emotion is nothing but energy in motion. Okay. So
And where the energy,
yeah,
where the focus goes, energy
energy
flows.
flows.
Absolutely.
Exactly. So keep your mind aligned. It's not, we just hear so much about mindfulness and there are these never ending reels, etc., but keep it simple, keep it decluttered, keep it compartmentalized, and as I always like to say, hashtag mind your mind.
Lovely. That's a beautiful one. I'll keep that in mind.
Mind.
Well, which one of the ISCS board of directors would you love to learn from? Board of advisors. We would love to learn from, what would you like to learn from him or her, and why?
Okay, so of course, the one, you know, person although with with my total respect, it would be unfair for me to you really put me on a spot here.
It was not meant to put you on a spot,
Yes,
but I know who you're going to name. That's why I asked this question, because she's my favorite too.
the Northern Star superstar, my Sushma Gaikwad, of course, because she is really somebody who is, like I say, a perfect blend of, as we talk about it, science and spirituality.
Yes.
So I think just being under her guidance, she's somebody who truly puts the wind beneath the wings of anyone she feels has
Absolutely.
potential to fly. So I'm very grateful for her.
Bang on. Bingo.
Yes.
Absolutely. And that wind beneath my wings is the perfect thing to
Yes,
say for her.
exactly.
Yes, she does.
Yeah.
So, where do you see the creative industry in 5 to 10 years with an institute such as Indian Institute of Creative Skills?
I think that it is only going to get bigger and better.
Mhm.
And I think that institute is, all set and going to churn out some phenomenal minds who are going to literally create history and be able to change the entire ecosystem of the way the media industry or the creative industry is. Also, because there is just so much more digitization that is happening.
Right.
And if we and mindfully navigate all this information and all the knowledge that we have, I think there is going to be no end to what is going to get
I'm
created
sure
within the
about
next 5 to 10 years.
Yes, absolutely. That's exactly what I think too.
Yeah.
I think just give it a year or and half more, and
It's going to
fly,
pivot 10x.
and it's going
Yes.
to change the scenario of creative industry.
Yes, I agree.
Completely.
I agree.
Well, so what's the one quick mental sound check creatives can do when things get too loud, literally and mentally?
Aha. So listen to your inner voice and focus on the sound of silence, because there is nothing louder than the sound of silence. So when you feel that you just can't handle it, just tune inwards, focus on your intuition, your gut, and again, really ask yourself this question: does that really deserve my energy or attention?
It's an emotional rhythm you have to build slowly and slowly. And it's a pattern that takes practice.
Yes.
It takes
Very well
practice
said.
to achieve.
Yes. And as you said in the beginning, Anna, that if you start saying it to yourself enough, you start believing it, and that's how the creation starts happening.
Absolutely.
You just have to believe.
You have to just believe.
Just believe.
You know, the problem with is that even the students, faith तो है, पर belief नहीं है. या belief है, पर faith नहीं है कि हम.
It takes time.
Faith is very important.
Yes. For everything.
It's like believing in Lord Krishna, that हाँ कृष्ण जी मेरे favorite है, मकाना मेरे favorite है, पर faith नहीं है कि वो मेरे लिए कुछ करेंगे.
Correct. Exactly.
So you're understanding my point?
Yes, you have to flip the script in your mind.
Absolutely.
And only you can do that for
one
you.
Is dependent on the faith, and belief are dependent upon each other.
Exactly.
And miracles start working in your life.
And they do. And they really, really do. Tried and tested.
Tried and tested here too. Both science, spirituality,
yes.
Both tested.
Yes,
both
absolutely.
tested. Wow. Well, now for our friends in animation and gaming. The long hours, creative blocks, constant digital noise. How can they keep their minds in shape, the animation gaming students?
One of our favorite word, pause.
Yes.
Right? It is a loop, but and I see it increasingly even in school going kids, etc. Now everything is on that iPad. They're just stuck to it. No amount of overindulgence in any gadget can be good for one's mental health.
Absolutely.
So even though it requires you to be so invested in it, please sit back, pause, and take those conscious breaks.
Absolutely. So it's not like going up there in the Himalayan mountains and meditating. It's just logging back into yourself.
Go inwards.
Like Dada says, go bhitar.
Yeah.
Go bhitar.
कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Go bhitar.
अपने अंदर चले
अंदर
जाओ.
जाइए अपने.
बस.
सब कुछ अंदर है.
सब कुछ.
सब कुछ अंदर है. कैलामिटी भी अंदर है, chaos भी अंदर है, peace भी अंदर है.
We are the yin,
और आप
the
choose
yang.
क्या करोगे?
Yeah.
It's
We
what's your choice. Do you choose to be a victim
Yeah.
or you choose peace?
Yeah. Victim or creator.
Creator.
Right? You are the yin, the yang, Shiva, Shakti,
So
dark, light. Everything is within
inside.
us. Yeah.
Everything is inside.
So
Beautiful.
tune inwards.
Tune in.
Yes.
Go bhitar.
Yeah, bus. That's it.
Kya baat hai. Okay, now you loosen up your counseling collar a little bit. Dhila karo.
Should I just,
Yeah,
you know?
Dhila ho gaya. Very good. Now time for my favorite segment, which is the rapid fire round. And you answer the first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Yes. So, what's most stressful? A live event going wrong or an emotional breakdown on a Monday morning?
Emotional breakdown on Monday morning.
Okay. I love that. Lovely. If emotions had a background music, what would anxiety sound like?
Oh, like the tribal music, you know, like the African tribal music, maybe drum roll or, yeah. Yes, exactly.
Sound वाले हमारे बच्चे relate करेंगे उनको.
Yes.
Yes. And what would calm sound like?
I think for me personally, it's the sound of water.
That's beautiful.
Waves, water, sea, ocean, any water body.
Yes, water body.
Any water body.
One line every event manager or gamer should repeat daily in their life.
I can, I am, I can, I
will.
am.
I am.
Yeah.
I am. I can. I am. I can. Remember that, students and audience. I am. I can. Wonderful. So you can't control chaos, but you can control volume. Do you believe in this?
Absolutely. And I think your inner volume, the minute you see that the volume is going high, you literally physically do this. So I physically do this. I just take it, I wave as if there's, you know, like a knob here, and then you just, you know, calm it down, calm the volume down.
Very nice.
Yes.
So are you a mountain person or a beach?
Depends on my mood, really.
Okay.
I would say both.
Both. Okay. So techno music or love songs?
Oh, Sufi all the way.
Sufi. Oh, that's a different one. Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Both.
Both?
Yeah, both.
Okay. Books or a movie?
Well, if I'm, you know, again, I know it sounds repetitive, but it really depends on my mood. I love movies and I love reading my books, and I'm somebody who can go out there and be social, but I also love ekant. So
And where does Radhika go to unwind?
within herself.
Go bhitar. Go bhitar.
Exactly.
I love that.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
अपनी favorite हूँ, like I say. मैं भी अपनी favorite हूँ.
Exactly. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely,
High five.
lovely. It's been absolutely amazing
Thank you
talking
so
to you.
much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you, thank you.
Pleasure, pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Hari Om.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. So, with that, we call it a day.
Lovely.
Thank you.
you for your time. Thank you, guys.
Okay, then, folks, that was equal parts fun, real, and oh my god, deeply needed. Radhika, shukriya for bringing your calm into our creative chaos today. Big love and gratitude for our guest Radhika for reminding us that mental health and creative success opposite nahi hai. They are perfect remix of your emotions. They are not your enemies. They are just craving for your attention. थोड़ी तो उनको attention दे दो अपनी emotions को. Remember, your emotions are a part of your art. Learn to tune them, not to mute them. And to our amazing listeners, if today's episodes touched you, pause, breathe, or even just smile and share it with your tribe. Wherever good vibes are and great conversations, we are there. This is the Vandana Varera signing off. The Director, Innovations and Communications, ISCS. Keep creating, keep feeling, keep your mind frequency tuned just right. कभी उस frequency के साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं करना.